back by viewer demand, some more street scrapping. Just entered the area where the rubbish is, and I think I may have seen an air conditioner. So we'll go for a look. Cupboards.
I don't know.
That tall thing, I'll have to have a look, see if that's an aircon or just a water cooler. And I didn't forget my tools today. I made sure I grabbed them. I don't know if I drill. I don't know if this is an air cooler or an air conditioner. Too light, I think, for a cooler, for an air conditioner. Yeah, it's just a big fan inside there, that's all. I don't know if there's anything in the remote, so I'll grab that as well, just in case. My last load, the last video, I ended up with 10 kilos of wire, copper wires. So it was a good run. Yeah, I used to carry a plastic bin and put the wires in. It would be handy to have a tub for the wires, but oh well. Half of my passengers have just woken up. They've been asleep for the last hour.
Me?
Yeah.
What did you say I was?
I said half my passengers have just woken up because they've been asleep for an hour.
Well,
That's alright, there's no problem with that. It was a peaceful trip.
I couldn't fucking talk because the music was loud.
Yeah.
I had no choice not to talk.
Alright, so what do we got here? Rubbish, rubbish, rubbish. How rude, just throwing rubbish out. How do they get off? The cord cutters have been here, vacuums are rated. I gotta clean my windscreen, I've got a bug right there. It's probably going to leave rubbish right in the line of sight.
Feels like we've been here before.
Yeah, we have. So where's the new area, Connie?
Take a pic.
Well, I don't know the area. You live here.
Go back out to the main road.
Yeah.
Keep going further up.
Cords?
Cords.
Alright. Let's go get some cords.
Start to go get drink.
Yep. Alright, let's grab these cords. Good job. Oh, it was all greasy, but that's alright. What other goodies are in here? Turquoise and silver, probably. Turquoise and silver. Is it? We don't know for sure. It might be. Yeah, it could be. Stand still. I don't want to count it now. see what we've got here. Oh, that is nice. Always look in the boxes where the good stuff is, eh? What's this, all paper or photos or something? Photo paper. Papers. No. Nothing in here. On that. Record on that. It's up here. Oh, it's a paper shredder. Some more up here. Nice. Yeah.
TV's on treadmill.
Yeah.
Put on the TV.
Yeah?
Yeah. Lots of cords at this pile. The lawnmower too, I could fix that up. There's this light ensemble. Weird. I bet that looks nice when it lights up. Can't find the base of it though, is it? Where the power cord would be. I'd say it doesn't work because it looks like there's a box there from a new one that they got.
My daughter Scrapper Kylie. She's my apprentice. She often comes on scabs with me. Alright. This light fitting here should be cast aluminium. I'll take that. No, oh, that's a roller door opener. I don't think there'll be much inside that. Just a big motor of some sort. Little air compressor. Now what else? DVD of some sort. Right. More cords in there, I'll go around. Half decent reel though, yeah. I'll keep that. I recently had to go and buy a new reel because my other one quit working. Now I saw cords in there somewhere. Looks like it's about it. I saw some copper on this fridge. I'll grab it. I know a lot of people are worried about gas coming out, but the majority of the time there's not much really to come out. Only a little bit. Yeah, it's tiny. I've had gases like 4 out gas. The only reason the fridge even stops working is usually when it runs out of gas. See, if that was fully loaded with gas, there'd be lots of it coming out. There's quite a bit of copper on this fridge. Some fridges have about half a kilo of copper on each one. I haven't really experienced any fridges that play up when they've still got lots of gas. They only usually play up when they're out of gas. I know these condensers are worth money, but I can't be bothered the time it takes to get them out, and they're heavy and they don't really pay that well. I know a lot of people like to take them, but I don't. I just leave them. They're like 10 cents a kilo or some rubbish. Looks like someone's already got to the top of this one. That's a nice handful of copper. All adds up. More copper on this fridge. That's only air, that's not gas. If it was gas, it'd be a white cloud. Where's that tender steel? Trouble with this one, yeah, it's hard to cut. It's a thick one. Alright. Another small handful of copper. All adds up. Coming out of my car. Jeez, they made a mess here, haven't they? People have made a mess here. Nice. It's one of those exercise mattress things. Nice colourful one, yeah.
Can you fix it off what Amazon?
No. Yeah. Can't see any more power cords. Yeah. It's no good, Amethyst. I suppose it could put the handlebars back on it. There's a reason why the handbrake's off it in the first place. I said we might be able to fix it, but there's a reason why the handlebars are off in the first place. Probably no good. Stand the bike up.
There's a handbag.
Look at that.
I know, I'm trying to get it out. See, screws in.
Yeah, and when you tighten it, they spread apart. That's what locks it in.
Yeah. There.
You've got to put it in right, and then it'll lock in when you screw it tight.
Yeah.
Can I try?
I can't do it one-handed.
Leave the Allen key on top.
I'm trying to ute and have a look at it.
We'll do a better connection.
Yeah. For those who are wondering what I meant by ute, I guess in America you guys would know of my car as a utility. So in Australia we just shorten it to ute. Anything that has a tray on the back like that, we class as a ute. We've got the whole family going, granddaughter and all. The worst thing about bringing women, they put rubbish in your car, cupboards and shit. piles around here.
There's a full stereo. I think we've been down that one.
I know there's nothing exciting for you guys because I'm not picking up any computers or anything decent, but it's because I can't find anything decent. I would love to be picking up computers on every pile, but it's not like you see on TV.
There's more shelving. It's not marble.
There's the cord cutters.
There's more shelving. That buggy out of the church. Hey?
Looks like it's been run over.
The buggy.
Yeah, the wheels are all locked on it. There's a lot of big piles, but it's all nothing that I want. It's all old pools and broken chairs and old trampolines and rotted cupboards and rabbit coops. And look at that big fan there. Has that got a cord on it?
Can't see.
There's a gamer chair there, look. A green gaming computer chair.
Yeah. You used to grab all the rabbit hutches and do them up and sell them.
Yeah, a long time ago.
I like that thing.
There's a rat hutch there by the looks of it.
The bedside tables have stereo in it.
Yeah.
Look at that Buddha thing. I like that. That is cool, eh? Yeah. You went to go that Buddha to Gloria, your best friend. What Buddha? That Vanessa. You gave me that big African Buddha.
Microwave there with the cord missing. Fridge with the cord missing.
It's like having eggs and Buddha stuff over it. Yeah, you gave that one particular one to Vanessa. I'll South African first.
We'll go up and look at this section here.
Yeah, this is the cat's area.
I don't know if the sun's glaring in the camera. I'll try and
Quads on that.
edit it out if it is. I'll turn around and come back. Hopefully on the way back down you'll be able to see better. Piece of aluminium pipe sticking out. The aluminium, that would sprayer by the looks of it. This nozzle will come in handy.
Hydrochloric acid and everything in here.
Yeah? Where?
Hydrochloric there.
It's empty.
There's all sorts of bottles and stuff in there.
Yeah, empty. It's in there, nothing. No, no good. It's over here. My granddaughter might like these. You all like my squeaky fan belt in my car? Sounds good, eh? Squeaky, squeaky, squeaky. Squeaky, squeaky, squeaky. Amethyst. Look.
Oh, wow. That is
Some more copper on this fridge. Bridges are good. You can end up with a nice amount of copper at the end of the day. I saw an EWASTE Ben's video. He said he doesn't want to cut the copper off because he's worried about all the gas, but like I said, if it wasn't out of gas it wouldn't be playing up. The most you hear is a bit of air coming out like the last one. More there. You'd be surprised how much you get at the end of the day. If you're going to keep farting, you're not allowed back in the car, okay?
Are you recording this?
Yeah, I am. You can stand up on the back here.
Oh no, yeah, it has. Sorry, I thought it was all bound up.
See? No gas. So if you haven't done these before, you notice there's a join here. So it's always copper to here and then metal. So always just chop at this side. And these things here, these tube things here, they're always copper one side and metal the other. So just here where it joins the steel, and there you go. And this is copper that's plastic coated, so it goes in dirty copper. What else is over here? I was told there's good stuff on the boards on the washing machine, but I don't know. There's copper coil there. I might take it just to have a look at. Might be tactical switches or something on the other side. There's a transformer there. What do you mean you found gold? Huh?
Lots and lots of gold.
Oh, yummy, look at that. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. Hard drive, hard drive, hard drive. Hard drive, hard drive. Good job, Kyle. Good job. I knew I brought you for a reason. There's nothing.
Oh, yeah, leave it alone. Leave it. Don't touch.
Good spotting. Nice big pot would go good for my avocado tree. Or my mango tree. Yeah, silver. Maybe.
Good stuff.
Yeah, have to test it and see. It feels like silver.
Amethyst road.
Bananas in this pile.
Can you reach that?
There's a tower in there. Yeah, there's a tower there.
Circuit board in it.
Yep.
There's something underneath that.
Good job.
Careful, Clive. Careful, Clive.
What else is under it?
It's like a washing machine or something under there.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. That air dryer is nice. Clothes dryer. That they're against the green. Yeah.
That's what happens. Just try to be careful. Oh, one PC's alright. It's not complete, but it's a start. And all these hard drives that make up for it. Okay, DVD player. Yep. See a cord. I don't know what it's off, but what the hell? Light. What's that? No. Oh, I missed that one. Yeah.
It's got quite a few 10 sensors in it too.
Yeah. Laptop. No, I'm not trusting that. Cool.
Everything?
Yeah, it's good for siphoning. Yeah, beauty.
Ceramic pot?
No.
Got a plastic stuff? Can you get in the car, please?
I don't want TVs.
Sorry?
I said I don't want TVs.
Can you get in the car, please?
I just caught a glimpse of some rope in this bag, and I need rope. I use it a lot for tying things down in the ute, and I've been running out because people pinch it. This is good rope, really good rope, strong, easy to work with. And the little pieces, I don't want the pieces, just the wrong bits will do me. Bit of wire here. I don't know what this does. I think it's a water timer thing for your garden. But that rope's going to come in handy for sure. I used to have so much of it, cut into decent lengths, and then over time it seemed to have vanished. So I'll take this. I already have some pieces like it, but not much. See the blue rope in the back there? That's all I got left, and I had loads of it. So I'll sort that out one day. I'll go through it, work out what lengths are too short and what's decent, and cut them into the right lengths. And I'll put them in bundles and stack them on the root on here. And when I need some rope, I just undo one of the bundles. Well guys, just as I was about to say, it's getting late, we're going to head home, and the battery died on the GoPro. I didn't have the spare with me, but we did a pretty good run. So I got 2 computers. I picked one up just on the way up, and the laptop as well. Whole pile of Christmas lights, all the cords that I got along the way, and we're having family over for Christmas, so we grabbed a few chairs, and yeah, just endless amounts of wire. The bike, you saw those sort of things we got. A bin for storage for cables and so on, TV unit, but I got a good amount of wiring, so plenty to keep me going for a while. Pretty excited about these 2 computers. One of them didn't really have a whole lot in there, just the motherboard, but then I got all those hard drives to make up for it. But this one's got the RAM, CPU, it's all complete. So I'm pretty happy with that. I like getting PCs. So I hope that was a better video than the last couple. I appreciate you watching. I've got these 3 videos now to try and finish and get out. So keep watching, there's more to come.